Hello guys, my name is Olusun Ahmed, and I know this is the first time I'll be showing my face on my YouTube channel. Yes, this is due to the fact that I want my subscribers, my loyal subscribers, to know me and interact with me and know who I've been giving them this quality video for so long. My name is Olusun Ahmed, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get cheap VPS server with Contabo for email marketing setup. Let's get started. Now, Contabo is an email marketing solution that provides different VPS server and another. They provide VPS servers and they provide SSD solutions for marketers who wants to run their entire email marketing on a server instead of them maybe getting very expensive ones. So Contabo is a secret of many internet marketers when it comes to servers. Okay, now let's compare these servers. This they have web hosting, they have server, they have VPS, but in this tutorial I'll be dealing with VPS. And if you compare, let's compare Namecheap. Let's compare Namecheap.com. You see their servers. Let's go down. Let's go to the rundown of this VPS server. You see this. In this server, you have 4 cores, 8 GB, 200 GB, then 100% SSD. Now let's see for VPS hosting for Namecheap. Let's see, and this is you see this is 4.99 euro per month. If you convert that to dollars, let's say euro to dollar, so euro to dollar, so let's say 4.99, so to dollar is $5.53. That's what we'll be paying per month here, okay, on Contabo. But in Namecheap, this is what you'll be paying. Can you see these 2 CPU cores? Can you see 2 CPU cores? You are getting what here? You are getting 4 cores here. So can you see you have 2 GB RAM? What are you getting here? 8 GB RAM. We have 4 GB SSD. What are you getting here? 200 GB, 100% SSD. Okay. Then there's 1000 gigabytes bandwidth. So we have this. Can you see this unlimited traffic? So it doesn't have bandwidth. So your bandwidth is what? Unlimited. And you see yes, 1000 gigabytes. So you are paying $11.88 here, okay, and you are paying $5.33 here. Can you see the difference? Okay, that is the difference. So now I'm going to go straight to the point. I'm going to show you how to get this VPS server. Okay, so you don't need to do so what you need to make your email marketing solution works is if you want to set up an email marketing solution on your website like GetResponse, Aweber, Infusionsoft, ActiveCampaign, and so many other ones like Mailchimp. So there are different ones you can set up on your server, but the main thing you need is you need to get your this email marketing solution on a VPS server, and you are going to link it to this solution platform. So with that, you are going to get this Contabo. That is the first step. So once you get this Contabo, and we are going to link it with our web panel. Okay, so and this is on managed server. Okay, this is on managed server. On managed server, it means you don't have cPanel installed. So we are going to install cPanel because that is where the work is. We are going to install a virtual cPanel. We're going to install cPanel on our server so that you can use it to manage your VPS, okay, and your SMTP if you are given. And this is on managed server, okay, and we can convert on managed server to managed server by applying some techniques and for some technicalities. Okay, now I'll just go straight to the live view of this. I'm going to order this. Okay, I'm going to order this, so just stay with me. So you see this is what you are getting. Okay, unlimited traffic, this, and you don't have to choose anything here so that it will add to your Okay, if you choose instant setup, okay, you are going to pay 29.99 euro. So we don't need, can you see managed server? If you choose managed server, you're going to pay 49. Don't worry, this managed server, that is what we are going to install on our own to make it work. So you don't have to pay any extra money. And this is CentOS 7. Choose CentOS 7. The difference between CentOS 7 is the lifetime. Let's see CentOS 7 end of life. Let's see CentOS 7 end of life. So if you see the CentOS 7 end of life, it ends on, the support ends on 2024, and we are seeing 2019. Okay, it ends in 2002. You still have about 3.5 years or 4 years to go. This is CentOS that the support is ending 2020. Okay, so we don't have to speak CentOS because CentOS is the latest. Okay, and we are not, what we are going to configure is CentOS 7, and can you see? So CentOS 7 is what we are working on. Okay, is what we are working on. So it's what we are working on. So it ends in 2024. So what we now do is just pick CentOS 7 here. Okay, and you don't need to pick any other thing here. You don't need it. So administration panel. So here just choose lamp. Okay, so just choose lamp. So it is very easy when you are setting up our web panel. So, and every other thing remains the same, and this is 1 month fee of 4.99 euro, and initial payment, it is 9.98 euro for 1 month. Okay, because due to the setup fee and everything, so you'll be paying this amount, okay, for 1 month. Okay, you'll be paying 9.9 due to the setup fee for one time. Then after that, you'll be paying 4.99 euro. Okay, I think that is gotten. So now you click on order now. So once you click on order now, so it takes you here. You don't need to do anything. No domain required at the moment. So you don't need to pick anything here. Just choose your name here. Put your name. Okay, put your name here. So okay. So you can just fill in all your details. So just fill in all your details here. Telephone number with country and area code. Okay, fax number with country, so we don't need fax number. So repeat email. Okay. Okay. Then zip code or city. So I don't know. Okay, zip code, city. Okay. Then country. So pick Nigeria. So pick Nigeria. So, and my PayPal email address. Put in your PayPal email address here. We said like this, with this payment method, you simply transfer the monthly fees to a PayPal account. PayPal at this, you'll be forwarded to the PayPal after this. Then starting with the second payment, Contabo shall charge my PayPal account when a certain amount is due. This means that I do not have to send manual transfer. So if you don't want them to charge you automatically, you just unclick this. Okay, then with this you just acknowledge this, okay. So you put I'll put my email address here. So then you tick on this, then click on review and submit order. Include the setup fee for one time, then the monthly fee is 4.99 euro. Then your initial payment is this. Okay, now this is my information. Okay, this is my information. So you review if your information is correct. If it's not correct, you go back there. So now you can just click on place binding order. So let's translate this page, so you can translate it. Okay, log into PayPal. So let me log into my PayPal account. Okay, just click on login. So it's telling me to pay this. So let's see view conversion options. So I'm paying $11.53 for this. So that is the conversion in, oh okay, it's in euro. Let's see in euro. I'm paying 9.98 euro. So I think I've converted it in my home. So pay in US dollar. Okay, so continue. So can you see, thank you very much for your order and your payment. You will set up the product you have ordered as quickly as possible. We have sent you an email with further information, and you will receive your login credentials in a separate email from us as soon as possible. If you have any questions, can you see? So we have successfully ordered PPS server from Contabo. Okay, so the next thing is that it might take up to 24 to 48 hours before they can send you your your credentials. Then what we need in the credentials is number one, we need what we need is we need our IP address. We need the IP address. We need the root. We need the password. Okay, so these are the most important things we need for us to set up email marketing solution for our with our VPS server. Okay guys, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go into my email, and I'm going to see if they have sent one or two credentials to me. So this is my email. So you can see, thank you very much for your order at Contabo and the PayPal payment. So they've not sent anything related. So just sorry, welcome to Contabo. So this is just it. So can you see? So they've not sent me anything. Okay, they've not sent me anything. Okay guys, so this is just it. So this is the first step you need to do when setting up an email marketing solution platform. Okay, so in my next video I'll be guiding you through how to go about email marketing solution platform. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my video. Make sure you subscribe to my video. Just click on the subscribe button right below this video and click on the notification bell so that you'll be informed once I drop new video. Thank you very much guys. My name remains Olusola Ahmed. I really love you. I really love to impact people, and I'm sure you really like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumb up guys. Thank you guys. I really love you.